Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I am shooting my YouTube video after a very long time. It almost 1 or 2 months. So today I am posting a video on a very simple DIY hair oil. In this DIY, I will share two ingredients with the help of which you have to make this hair oil. I am very promised when I have personally used this oil. I have before I also have very frizzy hair, but after using this oil for at least 2 or 3 months at regular intervals, so I get very promising results I have experienced personally. So I today I am also sharing this very amazing easy homemade hair oil to you also, so that you can also take benefit of it. So in this for the formation of this hair oil, we have to use two ingredients. So I will tell you one by one and the benefits also. So let's start the video. The first ingredient that you have to use is aloe vera gel. uh, Before showing my ingredients and start my video, I want to request you that please like my video, and please tell me that how much you like my video, and any queries, any question if you have regarding your health and skin, anything, please DM me in my comment section. I will definitely reply it if possible. So please also subscribe my channel so that you can get more benefits, more videos about your health and skin, because your health and skin both are very essential part of your life. So health is wealth. So please subscribe my channel, and also stay connected with my Instagram account, DIY Beauty Blogger 2020. In that I have also posted many amazing DIYs, very amazing masks for your both health and skin, that will help you to get very amazing health and very promising results. So I am starting my video. So I have already tell you that my first ingredient is aloe vera gel. So I have used this freshly cutted aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is grown in my home. As you know that aloe vera gel is already very amazing, natural ingredient that you can use it anywhere, on your face, on your skin, on your hair. Also you can eat it empty, in the morning when you have an empty stomach. So there are thousands of benefits of this aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel is the most important ingredient that is used to make in this DIY hair oil. So my second ingredient that is used to make in this formation of hair oil is coconut oil. This coconut oil has also very amazing benefits. Here I have used the coconut oil of Patanjali. You can use it of Parachute or any other brand, all are very good. So here I have available this one only. So now, first of all, you have to melt this coconut oil so that aloe vera gel can get mixed in properly. For the further for the further formation of this hair oil, you have to please watch my full video. Then also you will get the information that how to make this hair oil. So now I will tell you that how to make this hair oil. Now I will show you how to make this hair oil. First of all, you have to take this one stick of aloe vera gel, and like this you have to cut edges of it like this properly. Make sure that your fingers should be safe from this knife. Now I will show you how to prepare this oil. First of all, you have to keep your flame at sim, at a low flame. Then you have to put coconut oil like this much quantity. It depends on you that how much quantity you have to make hair oil. Here I am putting this much, like this. You have to keep low flame only. You please don't do high flame. Like this. Let it heat for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, when you observe that oil has heated properly, you can check it like this. So now you have to put aloe vera gel You have to put all the aloe vera gel in this, like this. Keep it slowly and properly because it can cause burn. Like this, you have to stir slowly and keep the flame low. You can also break these slices of aloe vera gel so that it can mix. This oil is very super beneficial for your hair. Then you will see that these little bubbles will appear. You have to heat it for 15 to 20 minutes at low flame. Like this you have to do. Like this. Like this you have to do. Break these slices so that it can mix well. Do it very carefully. Keep it for 15 minutes. All the natural essential things important that are present in aloe vera gel will go in this coconut oil. Coconut oil will absorb all the important things from this. Like this, you see that. I am telling you again and again, please keep low flame. Like this you have to do. You have to wait till the color of the aloe vera gel changes. Now see that aloe vera gel is almost loosen all its essential oils in this coconut oil. So now this oil is ready. Now we will drain this coconut oil. Now like this you have to drain all the coconut oil through this. Like this you have to do it properly, carefully. You can see this leftover aloe vera gel. Now it is of no use. Now you can see that your oil is ready. This color, this will be the color of your hair oil. So it is ready. A gentle massage of this hair oil twice in a week will promote your hair to grow at a very fast rate, control your frizziness, and This oil will help to control your frizziness, as I have already told. So it will provide you hair a very good shine, blackness, and also it will helps to maintain the proper balanced pH of your hair, which is very essential for the proper environment of the growth of your hair. It will control your split ends, your frizziness, your dryness, and hence it is a very 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 amazing hair oil. Please have a massage of this hair oil at a very proper regular intervals. So please do watch my whole video, and subscribe my channel, and also follow my Instagram page. I have given link in the description box. Please go to that link and see more DIYs, and also stay connected for more videos. Thank you so much.